Let me show you one of my favorite interactive tools. It's called PuzzGrid.com. It's an awesome way to get your students to make connections and think critically across any subject. You're going to start by going to PuzzGrid.com. Here, teachers can log in with their Google account. You're going to click Submit. And this is where you start creating your grid. It is a text type grid with a 3-minute limit, where the students have 4 categories and 4 items per group. The teacher starts typing in the terms here in each category. The linking description is just a clue between the items as students are trying to guess how to group or how to make the connections. Linking terms are the answers, which the students will probably be inputting on the very last round. You have group A, B, C, and D, and at the very end about this grid, usually there's 2 questions, and I usually put no for general audience and no for tags. To view your grids, there is a section called View My Grids, and these are all the grids I have created. Here are the links. I'm going to click on the last one I did. This is what the students would see. Again, you share the link with them. And here's where they start making the connections. They have a total of 3 minutes. If they make a mistake, they can just click on it again and it will not be highlighted anymore. From here, once they make those connections, they get their points and go to the next round. They make the connection between the 4 terms. They get a total of 10 points if they answered correctly. We do have the free version only, so they can screenshot this, put it on a Google Doc, and submit it to you. This is great for an entry ticket or an exit ticket, and it's great for all subjects. You can use it for ELA to sort literary genres, famous authors, or vocabulary and definitions. In U.S. history, you can group presidents, major events, or documents like the Bill of Rights. For biology, you can classify animals, match cell parts, or explore ecosystems. And even cross-curricular, like connecting historical figures with scientific discoveries from their time. Overall, PuzzGrid turns any review time into a fun puzzle challenge that builds engagement and deeper thinking. Give it a try. PuzzGrid.com.